Hi, this is Michelle Wolf with American Retirement Group. I'm excited to share a little story with you about a senior client we're helping with and their family. You may have heard experts say that there's over $18 trillion in senior housing wealth. But what's the point of all that equity if it's just sitting on the sidelines? Isn't it just like stuffing money under a mattress because you don't have any control over it and you're not utilizing it? So we got a call from an adult child of a senior couple. He called because he said his in-laws were struggling to make payments. This couple lives in Maui and they own a beautiful townhome worth about $1.2 million in Maui, free and clear. But they were on a fixed income, living off of $2,800 a month in Social Security. And guess how much their HOA loan was? It's $1,100 a month. So I bet you can imagine the struggle of making their payments and expenses, especially with inflation. And so a couple of years ago, they were reaching out to their local banks to find out what could they do to relieve this financial struggle. And even though they had all that equity, guess how much the bank could give them access to? $60,000. That's right, only $60,000 from a $1.2 million home. Why is that? It's because traditional loans are based on debt to income requirements and credit requirements. And that doesn't really fit seniors. And so fortunately, because this couple is in their 80s, our loan officer said, let's educate your family about reverse mortgages. And at first they were like, what is that? But they had already had a trusted relationship with our loan officer, so they took the time to listen and understand how the product really worked. And when she ran the loan scenario for them, the proposal of what they could tap into and qualify for, they were blown away. Because guess how much they qualified for? Over $750,000, which they could access without a mortgage payment for the rest of their life as long as they live in that home. So this family, imagine the peace of mind and relief that they felt, because not only do they not have mortgage payments to make and they're able to pay their bills, they're able to take a lump sum, a chunk of that money to help rebuild one of the homes for their children that got lost in the Lahaina wildfires. So that peace of mind and living legacy this family's be able to create from their home equity is something that they are so proud of and happy. And so we hope we can help you and your family as well.